Good afternoon, everyone. Preeti Surya. I'm going to be talking to you the first topic of cyber journalism, the subject that we are working at right now. And so the topics that I'll be covering in today's PPT is what are the new media and what is the difference between new media and mass media. So coming to our understanding of the concept of what is new media, I think we'll need to really first look at it from the perspective of an internet, and let's take a glance at the history of the internet. So internet is an engine of social change and one that has modified work habits, education and social relations, and more so in the wake of this pandemic. In 2020, internet reach in India is 700 million, and 2015 internet reached 46.4% of world's population and 30% of India's population. So in the last 5 years the growth has been pretty exponential. 2010 it had penetrated only 28.7% of the global population and only 8.7% of the Indian population. So between 2010 and 2020 the growth has been pretty remarkable. Now these are the top 20 countries in internet users versus rest of the world. Now this is exactly how it is. All the world put together is at 4536 million users, whereas in the top 20 countries alone it's 3213 million users. Now internet users distribution in the world, this is regarding the first quarter. Asia it's 50.3%, Europe is 15.9%, Africa is 11.5%, Latin America and Caribbean is 10.1%, North America 7.6%, Middle East 3.9%, Oceania or Australia is 0.6%. That is the distribution of the internet users across the world in the first quarter of 2020. Now internet is considered to be a product of the Cold War. It was built by the US military to protect national security in the face of nuclear attack. The Advanced Research Project Agency was a new department started within the US Department of Defense, and ARPANET, as it was called, then it was not called internet, it was called ARPANET, succeeded in creating the first effective long distance computer network. Next, 1962, the RAND Corporation USA begins research into robust distributed communication network for military command and control. 1969, ARPANET connects first 4 universities in the US. 1972, the Internet Working Group becomes the first of several standard setting entities to govern the growing network. Then 1973, the ARPANET goes international with connections to University College in London, England, and the Royal Radar Establishment in Norway. 1974, the first commercial version of ARPANET, the Telenet, opened. So this probably was the most original version of internet. 1983, TCP/IP becomes the universal language of the internet. Then 1984, William Gibson coins the term cyberspace in the novel Neuromancer. In 1985, the World Wide Web is born. So not a very old invention. 1985 is relatively new. So now coming to the definitions of new media, new trends and structural changes around the internet, digital television, mobile devices, which lead to the presentation of a communication platform in which the audience can speak contrary to the hierarchical relations maintained in a linear flow line with modern media tools. That's the first definition. Now next of course is media premised on older traditional methods that now serves similar purposes via the implementation of new technologies. Then different forms of electronic and interactive communication like the internet, websites, computer games, email, social networks, blogs and wikis. Any media content that is designed to be consumed by end users on the internet can be accessed on multiple digital platforms. That also stands for new media. New media is the digital media channels that take place in the lives of individuals with the development of information and communication technologies. These include internet, mobile applications and social media. Some more of the definition. Media covering all of the new media products shaped by new technologies. all developments based on the internet and the internet technologies infrastructure. Media characterized by digital content development and delivery. New media includes digital video, computer animation, 3D modeling, video games, motion graphics, kiosks, PDA, that is personal digital assistants, iPod and websites. Now one more definition of new media: a work consisting of at least two inseparable layers, one of which is composed of data in the form capable of being manipulated directly by the computer, basically computer mediated communication. A work whose purpose is to draw attention to its own materiality. New media refers to any interactive digital media production which is distributed via the internet or the World Wide Web. Examples include portals, news sites, news groups, weblogs, wikis, email, threaded discussion forums, bulletin boards, chat rooms, instant messaging, multi-user dimensions domains, then multi-user dimension object-oriented or user-object-oriented, chatbots, text messaging via mobile phones, social network sites, audio boards and desktop video conferencing. Now new media, also called digital media, those technological forms combine communication networks, computing and information technology, and digitized media and information content. New media is a new form of media practice where advancement in ICTs has made it possible for the computer to act as a medium for production, storage and distribution. New media is means of communication that involves digital technologies as the simplest definition that I've come across. Then a 21st century catch-all term used to define all that is related to the internet and the interplay between technology, images and sound. In fact, the definition of new media changes daily and will continue to do so. New media evolves and morphs continually. You must understand that we are somewhere between closer to Web 3 version of new media, and it's still likely to evolve, and the projections have it that we are likely to hit W5, Web 5 version as well, which is going to be drastically different from what you see the new media today. So more definitions: delivery of broadcast and interactive media platforms over the internet. It has brought an interactive form of communication process. It allows dialogue with various platforms. It is different from the traditional media as part of its features and structure. The new media is a kind of media which is usually digital and allows interaction for its user or target group. All the media that have undergone transformation to adapt to the new technological requirement or that have been created in the light of the new demands of the citizens. The internet-based media built on technological foundation of Web 2. A term that commonly refers to ICT-enabled distribution platforms. ICT stands for Information Communication Technologies, to allow content producers to disseminate message to end users. Some examples of new media include digital reality technology, social networking and media, consumer-generated content, digital out-of-home, high-definition television, internet, mobile phone, etc. The total media network that has appeared with the transformation in communication technologies and used the infrastructure of the internet. The internet and other media that are associated to the digital era, often compared to traditional media such as television. Now coming to the characteristics of new media, the first and the foremost one is immediacy. Speed and immediacy are two greatest virtues of new media. With the help of a mouse click, whole world comes before the person. 3G and 4G technologies now turn the entire scenario. Information superhighway has revolutionized the world. And then the next important characteristic of new media is interactivity, and these are basically the USPs of new media platforms. So new media is known for its ability to involve the audience. This is known as interactivity. Hence, we can say that compared to other media forms, new media has the most evolved feedback system in place. Digital media offer us a significant increase in an opportunity to manipulate and intervene in media. These multiple opportunities are often referred to as the interactive potential of new media. The next characteristic of new media is universality. Web journalism is a global media. It is not limited by time and space. New media is a platform which connects the whole world. New media provide multifaceted facilities. News about every incident happen anywhere is reachable to any other extent within a few minutes. Internet and World Wide Web point out another era of journalism. Then of course hypertext. The prefix hyper is derived from a Greek word which has the meaning of above, beyond or outside. Hence hypertext has come to describe a text which provides a network of links to other texts that are outside, above and beyond itself. It can be defined as a work which is made up from discrete units of material in which each one carries a number of pathways to other units. Then of course multimedia. Now multimedia refers to an online platforms have a greater advantage over other media, and that is multimedia facilities. Whenever stories are supported by cartoons, moving pictures, sound and music, it is called multimedia. The word convergence means come towards each other and meet at a point. So media convergence is computer and telecommunication technologies used in the multimedia system for transfer and exchange of information, data, graphics and sound. With this we come to an end of the two topics in the first unit. Thank you.